Now here I have some pak or sugar syrup boiling with some saffron or kesher. Here I have some peppercorns, about half a teaspoon. To this I'm adding about 3/4 of teaspoon of fennel seeds or sauf, and we're going to beat this into a very fine powder. I'll leave the recipe for the pak or the sugar syrup in my description box below. Now once we have this fine powder, we'll keep it aside. In a bowl, I've taken about 1 cup of wheat flour. Now to this, I'm going to add about 1 cup of milk, 1 to 1/4 cup of milk. We have to get a batter, but not a very runny batter, not a very thick batter. It is like a dosa batter, similar to a dosa batter. So now I've taken 1 cup of wheat flour and I've taken about 1 1/4 cup of milk, and we're going to make this into a very smooth paste. So you can either use a whisk or you can use a spoon or your hands. Just ensure that there is no lumps at all. These are the real instant malpuas. All you have to do is have some sugar syrup ready. Now to this we're going to, this is the runny batter that you need with no lumps at all. And to this we're going to now add this powder which we have ground of pepper and fennel seeds. So this is the twist in it. You know, the pepper has a little bit of a spicy element. The fennel seeds has amazing flavor. So, and here our sugar syrup or our pak is ready. We have some oil for deep frying. Now all you got to do is, once your oil is nice and hot on a low to medium flame, not on a high flame, we're just going to take about 1 tablespoon and just pour it into the hot oil like this. And then we're going to let it nicely fry on both sides till it is golden brown in color. So let it get fried nicely. Remember, your batter has to be of the right consistency, not at all watery or runny, not too thick, just the right consistency. And your oil also has to be quite hot, but on a low to medium flame. Now as you see the rims of this becoming a little golden brown, you can turn it and press it down into the oil. So it becomes nice and crispy. This has to be completely golden brown in color. Now once our malpua or our puri is ready, we're going to directly dip it into our sugar syrup or pak. See that it gets nicely soaked in it, and then we're going to drain off the excess on a tissue paper. So here our malpua is almost getting ready to a light golden brown in color. So just lift that up, drain off the excess oil, and directly just put it into your sugar syrup. So you can see the saffron strands floating in the syrup, and you're just going to turn it around so that it absorbs all the sugar syrup, and since it's nice and hot directly from the oil, it soaks up the sugar syrup. And once that is done, you can just lift it up and put it on a tissue or a kitchen towel to just drain off all the excess. So I'll show you another one. So in the same way, I'll just take a tablespoon of the batter and just drop it directly into the hot oil. This is such an amazing dessert, especially on a nice rainy day, you know, to have these warm malpuas. And they mostly have to be eaten hot. That's up to you. You can also chill them in the fridge and have them cold. Or you can prepare the batter, and you know, when you're really hungry and ready to eat this dessert, just fry these puris or malpuas in the oil, put them into the hot or warm pak or sugar syrup, and then just eat them. So in this way, you can see that our puri is nice and golden brown again. So we just have to lift it up from the hot oil, drain the excess oil, and directly dip it into the sugar syrup. So I hope you like this short and sweet malpua recipe. I hope you're going to try it out, and do let me know in the comments box below how you like this short and sweet dessert idea. So now you can see I'm just picking up the malpua and putting it into some sugar syrup. And that's it, friends. Your malpua is all ready to eat. Enjoy this amazing dessert. I'll see you in another video. Take care, guys. This is Akshata saying bye. Well, friends, don't forget to give this video a big like. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button you see below this video. Do ring the bell icon so every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to know. Please share my recipes with family and friends. Do visit my channel for more than 215 videos. And thanks so much for watching. See you in another video. Take care.